Most American adults take a multivitamin. Multivitamins are the most widely consumed nutritional supplement, but the multivitamin concept hasn't changed since its introduction 80 years ago. Sure, more and better ingredients have been added, and some products have targeted the requirements of women, kids, men, people over 50, but the basic concept of the multivitamin has remained the same. With the introduction of Televite, we've turned the page. We now have a broad-spectrum, high-potency multivitamin mineral containing all the essential nutrients, but we've added particular powerful antioxidants and phytonutrients that will protect and extend the life of your telomeres, also known as telomeres. Perhaps you heard about telomeres in the New York Times, the Wall Street Journal, NBC, CBS, and most of the major media outlets worldwide. Telomeres are strands of DNA that form protective caps on your chromosomes, similar to the plastic tips on your shoelaces. What happens when those shoelace tips start to crack and shred? The shoelace becomes frayed and ultimately unusable. Same thing when telomeres break down and get shorter during your aging process. But these aren't shoelaces. This time it's your basic life-supporting cells that break down and become senescent, weak, and unusable. Telomeres are your cellular timekeepers, involved in controlling the rate at which you age. Scientists are reporting that telomeres are foundational building blocks of your health, and telomere shortening has emerged as a significant risk factor behind many health and beauty issues. Weak and decaying telomeres may be the reason many supplements fail to deliver as promised. You wouldn't build a house without a secure foundation, and you can't build your health without a strong cellular foundation. Long, strong telomeres are crucial for supporting optimal health and lifespan. Our science and medical advisors have long believed the first objective of nutritional supplementation should be to find ways to promote foundational telomere lengthening. But now, because of Nobel Prize-winning science, we know that the human body has a protective enzyme called telomerase, or telomerase, which builds, repairs, and lengthens your telomeres. Researchers also discovered that there are specific nutrients that stimulate your body to produce the telomerase enzyme. So now we have a practical, science-based way to actually keep your protective telomeres more youthful and stronger for a longer period of time. The Televite multivitamin features 14 of these evidence-based telomerase activators and telomere lengtheners, along with all of the essential ingredients found in an advanced, broad-spectrum, high-potency multivitamin. So let me ask you, why would you take a regular multivitamin that actually has not changed conceptually in 80 years? Why wouldn't you take a broad-spectrum, high-potency multivitamin that is competitively priced, that will support your telomeres, your most essential life-giving cells, at the most basic level of your DNA and chromosomes? Televite represents the first major step in the next frontier of nutritional supplementation called nutrigenomics, where we use nutrition to affect gene expression. Televite is the first cellular longevity multivitamin with ingredients supported by 312 peer-reviewed scientific studies. It's important to emphasize the Televite formula is evidence-based. To be evidence-based, every ingredient in a nutritional supplement must be in the exact form and amount as in the scientific studies that demonstrate its effectiveness. And if there's a proprietary ingredient in the study, a stock ingredient cannot be used for a product to qualify as evidence-based. Now, the sad truth is, the majority of nutritional supplements are not evidence-based. Their ingredients may be healthy, but they're not supported by scientific studies for effectiveness. This means there's little reason for you to believe that you'll get the health benefits you're hoping to achieve. Let's say you're interested in a vision supplement, and you've read that lutein is very good for your eyes. So you go to a vitamin store, a pharmacy, or online, and you find many vision products that include lutein. But if the lutein amount is less than 10 milligrams in each serving, the product is not an evidence-based, clinically relevant product. And you should also know that many of the telomere boosting products entering the marketplace are not evidence-based. They might have one ingredient, two if you're very lucky, that's clinically relevant, but the rest aren't. Some of them even contain ingredients that have no scientific support at all for telomere lengthening. And the prices charged for these inferior products are scandalous. You're looking at the Televite white paper, which catalogs all the scientific information supporting Televite. Our white paper is 34 pages long, with 10 pages of references listing each of the 312 peer-reviewed studies that support the efficacy of Televite. There's no cutting corners here. Every ingredient in Televite is in the form and amount as in these studies. This tells you all the ingredients in Televite are clinically relevant. We invite you to compare our Televite multivitamin to any other telomere boosting product for both content and price. We're confident you'll find there's no contest. Televite stands alone. So welcome to the future and welcome aboard. Please select the Order Now button to see all of your order options and discounts for Televite. And after you make your initial Televite purchase, you'll have a chance to purchase our superior telomere boosting omega-3 formula. Additionally, when you become part of Team Televite, you'll receive our insider-only video newsletters and research reports. These are not product promotions. These communications are filled with leading-edge, life-enhancing and life-extending health information on exciting topics. Also, explore our website, see our outstanding medical scientific advisors, the Huntington College of Health Sciences, and all of the scientific information that supports Televite, including each of the 312 peer-reviewed scientific studies that form the basis for Televite's advanced nutraceutical power. Hope to see you soon on Team Televite.
Thank you.